Think you need complicated software to create professional videos?
Wait, Canva can do it all!
In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a professional video in Canva, step by step, and it's way easier than you think.
Open Canva and click on Canva AI. Once you see this interface, select Video Clip. If you want to add audio, click here and choose from the available options. Click here on this icon and choose Ultra for higher quality video generation. Next, click the plus icon to add a reference image. Write your video prompt in the text box. Click the icon to start generating your video. Within a few seconds, Canva will start generating your video based on your prompt and settings. By following these simple steps, you can easily create high-quality videos with Canva AI. Once you're satisfied with the result, click here to open the video in a new window. From there, you can make any additional changes or download the video. Click here to preview the final result. Click on Share and click Download to save your video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and tricks.